Louisville. Drove all the way down here for a unit that we hope is going to have some good appliances in it. We had to make one little trip with a couple totes out of here. There was a guy in here that said his unit got broken into. But this is to what's inside the totes we don't know of yet.
Yeah.
Oh man, let me open it up.
Oh yeah, open it up.
So we think this indeed looks like a refrigerator.
Oh, here, open. I'm consolidating bags. This was full of tools and lights.
So our suspicion was, this said microwave or dishwasher. It said it was going to an apartment complex. We assumed the third box had a stove in it, and we were right. There indeed is a stove down there.
Okay.
New. It's a, and we got a bunch of totes. So,
like these are all tools. There's
yeah,
just tools. This fan is in here, brand new, still in its wrapper.
That is awesome. Yeah, we're gonna.
There's just tools and chargers.
Excellent tools with batteries. We love batteries.
All right.
Excellent. All right.
Let's just get in and out of here.
This may or may not be worth a trip down here to Louisville.
I don't. Oh, look, there's all these shoes in here. That's where I keep my shoes.
That's where I would keep mine too. What was in here?
I don't know. I just threw it up there.
There's this big bag of Kentucky luggage.
Like a
looks like pillows.
Comforter or something. All right.
Yeah, pillows.
Well, let's just get in and out of here so we can get some lunch and you back.
All right, Cookie.
All right. Good one, babe.
Good times. Good love.
What do you think so important that they zip tied it shut? More clothes?
The evidence is accurate. It's more
clothes. Or socks or winter hats. Why with the vest?
Dude, this guy had a fucking vest for every day of the year. Come on, Cookie, let's go.
I'm coming, babe.
It fits perfectly.